Hi everyone, welcome back to C#'s basic course. We're going to be talking about enums today. So let's go ahead and build our first enum. So we're going to say public enum number count. And we just create some curly braces here. But right before that, I'm going to say that these are going to be bytes, which is just a smaller int. And basically what I want to do here is just say, okay, the string O-N-E equals 1 and then so on, you know, just basically spell out numbers. So we'll say 1 equals 1 and then so on, like 2 equals 2, 3 equals 3. And I'm getting an error here, so I think we have to move this out of main to stop these errors. But basically, let's see how this works. So I'm just going to add a read key down here because we're going to need it. And we can do a write line. Say number count dot 1. Let's just print this out and see what it gives us. You can see that when we print this out, it gives us the string. So I'm going to close out of this. So if we actually want to see what value we have assigned to this, it looks like we can cast this into a byte. And then if we run this again, we will get 1 back here as the value. So it knows that when we just request 1, apparently, I'm not sure if that's like the right syntax or whatever, because it seems weird that you would say .1 and it returns just the string back again. But apparently, as far as I know, the only way to actually get the value is to cast it into whatever type you're using. We could also use an int or a double, because again, we're like gaining information. So I guess that's it for the basics of enums. Hopefully we'll get to see more in the future about that. I don't really understand that much about them right now, but it's just a different data type, way to hold data. And I mean, it is nice that we can have a way to say, okay, 1 will equal the number 1 and stuff, so it's useful. This probably isn't the best application. I don't understand them fully, so we'll look into it more into the future. But nonetheless, thank you for watching.